Hello all, so as you can see, other two packages. I'm sorry for the mess, I am modding watches, so let's give it a quick look. So first is one ball, official standard. I don't know what is ball, but who cares? They send me a catalog or something. Let's check what is there. So this is some pliers. Dear sir, in accordance with your request, please find the enclosed Bow watch catalog and our price list. Blah blah blah. Selling Calman. So this is ball. Nothing special. Nothing big. Since I think these are the lower price range watches. So, and here, oh, these are Tritium watches. Oh yeah. Confess all activities. This is some. Wow, yes. Oh yes. Fighting. Okay. So, bow. And next one. Bridgewet. As we can see. So. Okay. This is the book. Oh, the book is covered also. Very nice. And there's nothing else in the box. So, what we have here? So, we thank you for your request, interest, monstrous banquet, and response happy include you ever need our catalog. We hope catalog conveys to the elegance, technical excellence, and aesthetic perfection will inspire each and every Bregwet design. Blah blah blah. This is it. Here we have also they send me phone numbers in my region. In Slovakia there is none. The nearest is in Ukraine or Czech Republic. On every country around me. So will we open it? This is a really nice book. I don't know if we can, but I will open it for you because I love you. Yeah. Okay. So, Bridgewet catalog will be highlighted light. I see a Ploprov day today. So, Marka Hayek, continue how they assemble. Really nice. Also very nice catalog indeed. Nice. Very nice. Handcrafted. Okay. So this was my unboxing. I can show you my newest collection piece. This is an Orient SK Crystal. It has got quite beating right here, but I will refurbish this one and maybe I will post a video for you so you will see it. I will relume the inner bezel. As you can see, this thing moves. Relume the hands dial so it will look really nice. So thank you again for watching. I don't know if there will be something else. If yes, I will post again a video, and have a great day. Bye.